be Emeka?
Na me be Emeka.
You don't stay in Nigeria before?
No.
The year Igbo?
Kedu. Get one one.
How they ma?
Get
How far? How na dey?
No, speak on.
I know that, sir.
Which one you want to say?
Wait, now you be the Emeka wey I follow talk of.
And I be Emeka who stand with blood.
Wait, I never understand. They tell me say na Nigeria place I dey.
Na Nigeria place you dey o. And
The person wey I follow chat for
na me
phone.
dey follow chat that day.
Na you dey speak pidgin.
Na
with
me
me?
dey speak pidgin.
Jesus Christ. Now you be Emeka?
Na me be Emeka.
You don't stay in Nigeria before?
No.
You never reach Nigeria?
I never record Nigeria.
But you be dey speak pidgin like this.
I dey speak am baba.
Where you go come?
Syria.
Syria! Okay then. This talk here. If you like that, no go come back again.
Syria. You no need.
Abi?
You no need na. Come go do what?
Syria person na dey speak pidgin and you never call Nigeria. You dey hear Igbo?
Kedu. Get one one.
How dey ma? They wan shock their life for this talk you. So you dey say Nigeria thing. How long now you don dey say these things?
Don't reach like 3 years.
3 years now you dey say Nigeria things.
But like this is my shop. Is na new I just open. I don't reach 1 month.
1 month now you don open am.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes sir.
And na Nigeria be your customer.
Everything baba.
Jesus Christ. Syria person.
Syria person.
Una know wetin dey call Syria? Yoruba, pidgin, you know, and you dey Nigeria, you know sabi speak pidgin, you do you don reach Nigeria before?
No, to God though. I never.
You dey hear am, and then you in Nigeria, say nobody even go Nigeria once. Na dey speak pidgin. So you learn everything for here.
Na street.
For the street.
Na street.
Syria dey run street.
We dey run am o.
So wetin be your real name?
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud.
Yeah.
You be Muslim or Christian?
We na Muslim I be.
Yeah,
Muslim.
but you dey do everything.
Everything.
Yeah,
You know me na.
So wetin you dey say here?
Anything baba wetin you want we get.
They call tell me wetin you get. Video
Okay,
dey
when we
say.
start from having a fresh thing like leaf or okra.
Okay, you get up.
Ogun leaf there. We get Nigeria confirm okra. Yes, we still get ohali, otazi, oziza, everything there. Yes, so if you come out from this one,
yes,
all of food stuff is there. Anything where you want. Yes, sir.
If I want cook all those black soup,
black soup, as in if you want come both beef or goat meat or cow tail or cow leg, you know say cow leg go dey sweet.
Oh boy, na cow leg be this one.
Yes, na cow leg be this baba.
What about this one?
This one na goat tail too.
Goat tail for
yes,
Isiu.
na confirm one.
What be this?
White shake. This one na something. You know say winter dey come, so you need something wey go make your body
okay,
dey
well,
hot.
na they sell the white one, I see they sell the black one.
Yes, na. So these are sorted wey we dey sell am. You know say winter dey come, so you need something wey go make your body dey hot.
Okay, for winter na
and
something.
pepper soup and sorted.
You sabi cook pepper soup?
I no sabi cook am, but I sabi chop. I sabi chop.
Oh, na dey hear. E be like say I dey dream. Wey the Syrian person that dey speak pidgin like this and e never near Nigeria once. Jesus Christ, wetin be this one? This one? This one?
African chicken.
Africa chicken.
Yeah. This one na strong one o. Wey you don cook am.
Okay, those one wey dey strong, wey no dey cook.
Exactly. No. That one we no get am.
Okay, meaning say those native chicken, kyo, you understand? Or you see kyo.
Na be this.
So now they do like frozen chicken so.
Exactly.
Now you get people from Nigeria where they do one.
No, baba. We import am from there. We get people wey dey send am. Yes, na.
So if I buy something for you now, you get Nigeria account.
E dey na. Account. Yes, na e dey. E get.
Salakbre. Now this one now Urobo people they say, "Ukpe kujama." You get Nigeria account, and I'm not getting Nigeria account.
We get
my brother. I know they come back
money.
again.
We get na.
So what be this?
Yamo.
Kosi.
Baba. So this one now. This one wey just come new. Cause this confirm yam. Let's make you confirm Nigeria.
Nigeria yam.
Nigeria yam. Wey dey sweet. Wey if you wan cook am with sauce. Or if you wan do am with egg. Hey God o.
But you dey date Nigeria girl?
No, na my wife Nigeria.
Okay, your wife na Nigeria. No wonder. What shall I come?
Yes, sir.
From which side of Nigeria?
Oyo
State.
Eh.
Oyo not be Yoruba dey speak am.
Na
Now you dey speak Igbo, so you dey speak Yoruba too?
No, I no dey speak Yoruba too much, so na Igbo.
How you got this dey speak Igbo than Yoruba and your wife na Yoruba?
See, now I tell you something. You see this my body. This flow with it inside. Now Igbo blood in me. But it no mean if I come Europe, marry Yoruba. You understand? Okay, my wife is my Yoruba. But my name, my blood, my sense, everything na Igbo.
Jesus.
You get it. I need that.
Don't be small. How long now you don't marry your wife?
You don't reach 1 year. You go enter 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
On a meet here too?
Yes.
Eh? So you don't call, you never call Nigeria, call
No, I never go.
What do you wait for now? Oh, guy.
I dey wait for that guy.
I shocked the life, so
I
I've been saying a Nigerian person won't shit. You said stash.
No.
No, you said stash. So now it reach our turn for Delta State something like you not say stash. But it's reaching to people something.
Nah, no way. So that one I never start am. I go start am soon.
So how many workers you get here?
We be 4.
4. You get Nigerian worker too?
Yes.
If you not get Nigerian worker from fear, I'm from fear, sir.
No, nah. That one is...
So all your main customers na Igbo. Igbo. Una see what you don't go to Syrian person. Oh, Igbo person na don't come colonize here. Because they speak on a language, they speak their pidgin. What did they happen? I marry Yoruba, Oyo. You speak Yoruba. Why you they shout me? I come they say,
Nigerian say the following.
But later on when they speak pidgin, you go switch. I probably say you give the phone to somebody. I don't know say like.
I'm here.
So how long you know they speak pidgin like this?
Hey, no, like if you say like 3 years plus.
3 years plus. My brother, Tinubu, now you be president. Wait, go for me there. Go for me there. Yeah. You know what? So who will be your president? Not about who.
No,
So who will be your president?
I've been waiting. Oh,
Peter Obi.
God bless you. Now you be that.
So see Peter Obi fan.
Yes.
So you get voters card when you want.
Say I get that.
So my people, where they for Istanbul? If you there for Istanbul for Turkey, this one are one of the best Africa shop where you will come. In name na Emeka, but the real name na Mahmoud. Mahmoud. You understand? Forget about Mahmoud. Say don't dash Mahmoud to Syria.
I don't give them.
So no, Emeka.
Exactly.
Now the answer now. You understand? You dey see Syria person dey speak pidgin, but you dey Nigeria, you never even come off from your state go Lagos, and then they say man, chim man, fufu man. One on a get where see Syria person, I bet you too much, bro. Now I want to shit you now. The thing don't confuse me. Don't shit me.
No.
Everything I want buy, you know everything.
Baba, don't worry.
You dey say my power.
Everything there now. Yes, man.
Okay, cut. They say what you. I don't want people hear that one.